Let nature absorb your stress at itsgardeningtime.com. It's been a difficult couple of days due to family situations, but it's a sunny day in the mid-Atlantic area of the USA, and today we are focused on letting nature absorb our stress. Focus on beautiful flowers, butterflies, even bugs, flies that love to flit around our black-eyed Susans, and just focus on nature, busy getting something to eat on a sunny morning. We have nasturtium blooming and petunias planted from seed. Just focus on Mother Nature and let your stress melt away at itsgardeningtime.com.